So, good evening, everyone. Today, I'm here to explain my project, Investment Rack System. So, basically, this is a functional rack system built with Streamlit for analyzing stock market and investment textbooks. To talk about this project, it demonstrates an end-to-end pipeline from starting from PDF ingestion to semantic retrieval and then response generation. So, it's deployed in Streamlit, and here is the link. For the project and its code, you can refer to my GitHub repository. Yeah. So to talk about the latest challenge I faced, so I replaced the DB from ChromaDB to Phase. So Phase is a Facebook AI similarity search so it's basically an open source library which is efficient for similarity search and clustering of dense vectors. So what happened was with ChromaDB, um, there was some compatibility issues with the Rust backend. So uh, what I did was I replaced it with Phase. So this is developed by Meta. So and handles large scale data sets, including those exceeding the RAM capability. So basically, the if the it handles uh, if the RAM capacity is increased. This is done using the storage of CPU or GPU. It is basically designed for fast vector retrieval and which makes it a key tool for recommendation systems and AI applications. So basically, this is an AI system, right? So let us go towards our website. Yeah. So yeah, welcome to Precision Architect. This is a state-of-the-art investment track system which is designed for institutional grade financial analysis. The interface is built with a premium glass morphism design, which leveraging the use of Tailwind CSS and custom typography like Outfit and Space Grotesque. This is done to create a high-end responsive experience. So yeah, so this is how our website looks like. So there are three main components: the dashboard, the knowledge base, which is the basic landing page where we will ingest the PDF, system integrity, where we will the document embeddings and chunking and all will be visible here. Dashboard is where the questions will be asked, and you can get the response to it. Yeah, so currently the intelligence core is offline because we have not ingested any document. So first we have to ingest a document here and then initialize the vector database. So yeah, so let us start with this. So our pipeline begins with the knowledge base here. So here we ingest complex financial documents like PDF reports or investment classics. The system uses LangChain and Hugging Face all mini LM L6 version 2 model to partition text into optimized 1000 character chunks with a 200 character overlap, ensuring no context is lost during vectorization. So let us show you the demo. Let me show you the demo. So yeah, I'm uploading the data. So PDF is being uploaded. So yeah, you can see here. So it has the artifact has given the name of the PDF, the size of the so it's giving with the metadata also. So the size of the PDF is 5.8 MB, 5.0 MB, and the status is it's showing currently it was before it was not showing. Now it's saying it is ready for ingestion. Let us begin with the vectorization. This is done using Hugging Face All Mini LLM model. Let's begin with the new neural indexing. Once the everything is done, analyzing document, so it will show a message that it is successfully done. Then we can move towards the system integrity part, where I will show you the chunking and the vector embedding forms. So yeah, just wait for some more time. This process takes some time. So yeah, knowledge ingested is successfully. So it has shown a message. So the ingestion is done. Let's move ahead to system integrity now. So yeah, you can see the Hugging the knowledge segments. It's divided into. So basically, let me tell you about this page. So transparency is the key. So in system integrity tab, we can inspect the latent space of our data that we have ingested. You can see the raw knowledge segments and the 384 dimensional vector embeddings stored in our phase persistent engine. This ensures that the system is grounded in verifiable data nodes. So you can see here. So the knowledge segment is divided into three chunks for now. So in basically three nodes, the vector embeddings for each of the uh, 384 dimensional vector is shown here. So yeah, for each chunk, it's, uh, it corresponds to its vector embedding for each word. Yeah. So so if you have to delete, so basically once the document is ingested, so it stays right in the local DB. So to clear this, we have this option for clear knowledge base. So this if we have to ingest some new PDF, we can use this feature. Let us talk about this at last. So this is basically the um, uh, chunking part and the vector embedding part. Let's move on to the dashboard page. So yeah, so now we probe the engine using Gemini 1.5 Flash. The system performs a neural search across the whole vector database. It doesn't just find the keywords; it synthesizes insights. Notice this system report uh, layout, which highlights the specific context nodes retrieved before presenting the finalized analysis. So, show a demo of this. Let me paste one question here. So let's paste here. So let me. So it is synthesizing the insights. So first question is how to deal with brokerage houses. Let us check what it gives. So yeah, it has given the synthesis report, the context it has used. So the relevant context it has used. So from two notes and the summary of the provided context and the summary of the source material that you have given. So yeah, so let us check for some other questions also as well. Uh, Let us give it some another question. So let's check what it's giving for what is the theory of diversification. Yeah, so it has given the output for the specific question using it had retrieved some context and is giving the summary as you can see. Let us move ahead with one more question. So we will be doing series of 5 questions. Check if it's executing for everything. So as you can see, it's proceeding for the third question. Yeah. So for third question also it has given. Uh, let's give one more and then one final one. So how to do business evaluation. So basically what is it is doing is it is taking context, some context, it is retrieving some context, and then based on that context and the query which we have given, it is giving the output. So it is fetching from phase database. Yeah, so summary is provided, the context is summary, and the source material summary also is given. Let us give final one. What is putting all eggs in a one basket analogy? Yeah. So yeah, this will be the final question. So yeah, it has given for this as well. So yeah, um, so so you can see here, once the analysis is finalized, users can also export the verified report for further review. So if you first uh, share review, if you are doing share insert, so it is copied to the clipboard, then you can paste it anywhere you require. If you want to export it, you can download it as well. So yeah, this feature is provided. So talk about this project. So this isn't just a chatbot. It's a dedicated intelligence engine for the modern investor, built using Streamlit, Phase, and Google Gemini. So one final call. So yeah, so uh, the document is stored here. So if you want to ingest some new document, you can just clear everything and it get back to normal. So yeah, so this is the normal website. You have to ingest documents to initialize the vector details. And you can see here the status is awaiting selection. So no PDF has been selected. This goes back to the normal. So this is about my project. Um, Thank you.